Some orchid pots may look alive, but in reality, they are already exhausted. Welcome to Great Garden. In this video, I will share a very gentle, simple, and low-cost orchid care method that uses only ingredients available in your kitchen, yet helps the plant recover from the roots. With proper application, orchids show noticeable daily improvement. Roots become stronger, with plump and vigorous tips. Greener, thicker, more vibrant leaves. Flower spikes develop naturally, with buds that are even and long-lasting. Flower spikes develop naturally, with buds that are even and long-lasting. Let's get started. Do you have turmeric powder in your kitchen? Turmeric powder is a familiar natural ingredient, rich in curcumin and antioxidants, with antibacterial and antifungal properties that help protect the roots and support healthy plant growth. First, I prepare a clean glass cup. Next, add about 500 milliliters of hot water. Then add 1 spoon of turmeric powder. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Then, stir well to dissolve the turmeric powder completely and allow the active compounds to be evenly released into the water. Finally, cover tightly and let the solution steep for about 1 hour so the turmeric essence is fully released, ready for the next step of use. While waiting, I water the plant first. You should moisten the growing medium beforehand. When the medium is too dry, the roots cannot absorb nutrients effectively, and the plant will recover more slowly. Watering beforehand helps the roots open up better, allowing the plant to absorb sufficient moisture and recover more quickly. When the roots turn green, it is a sign that the plant is well hydrated and ready to safely receive fertilizer. Repeat the same process with the remaining pots to ensure all plants are adequately watered before fertilizing. After 1 hour, I strain out the residue and keep only the clear liquid. This liquid has a yellow color, as shown in the video, and it is exactly what we need. Add 1 liter of clean water at room temperature to dilute the solution. First, pour the diluted turmeric solution into a small cup, as shown in the image. Next, soak a soft cloth or cotton pad in the solution and gently wipe each side of the orchid leaves. Wiping the leaves helps remove dust, keeps the leaf surface clean and well ventilated, improves photosynthetic efficiency, and reduces harmful bacteria and fungal growth. Turmeric contains curcumin with natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, helping clean the leaves, making them greener, thicker, and healthier, while boosting the plant's resistance. When wiping, clean both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves. Perform this 1 to 2 times per week to keep orchid leaves clean and ensure stable plant growth. Next, I use rice as an ingredient combined with turmeric powder. Rice is rich in starch, B vitamins, minerals, and natural enzymes, helping supply energy and strengthen plant roots. Add 3 tablespoons of rice to a clean glass cup. Next, pour in 500 milliliters of clean water at room temperature. Next, stir thoroughly so the rice releases starch, vitamins, and natural nutrients, creating a slightly cloudy, nutrient-rich solution ready for the next step. Finally, strain out the solids and keep only the clear liquid. Here, I will combine the rice water with the remaining turmeric solution prepared earlier and filter them together. And that's it. We've prepared a natural nutrient mixture ready for use in caring for your plants. Method 1. First, pour the turmeric and rice solution into a dedicated watering can. First, pour the rice and turmeric solution into a clean watering can. Next, apply the solution slowly around the orchid's base so it gently penetrates the medium and reaches the roots. Rice water supplies starch and vitamins to support strong roots, while turmeric offers mild antibacterial and antifungal protection, helping maintain a clean root zone and boost the plant's natural resistance. You should apply this once a week. When the plant becomes stable and grows well, you can reduce the frequency to 1 to 2 times per month for long-term maintenance. Method 2. Pour the rice and turmeric solution into a mist spray bottle. Then gently mist the entire plant evenly, including the leaves, stem, roots, and leaf axils. This mixture supplements nutrients from rice water while taking advantage of turmeric's natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, creating a mild protective layer that boosts resistance and helps limit fungal diseases and harmful insects. When spraying, make sure to mist both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves to clean the leaf surface, support photosynthesis, and help the plant grow more evenly. Apply once a week during the first month. Once the plant is stable, maintain the application once a month. After spraying, let the plant rest for about 15 minutes so the leaves, stem, and roots have time to fully absorb the nutrients. Once the solution has been absorbed, use a soft cloth or clean cotton pad to gently wipe away any remaining moisture on the leaf surfaces and in the leaf axils. This step is very important, as standing water can create a humid environment that favors the growth of fungi and bacteria, leading to leaf or crown rot. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Any remaining turmeric and rice solution can be poured into an ice cube tray and stored in the freezer to extend its shelf life. Once the solution has frozen into small cubes, some people tend to place the ice cubes directly at the base of the orchid. This practice is not recommended, as the sudden cold temperature can shock and weaken the roots. Instead, place about 3 to 5 ice cubes into a clean cup and wait 15 minutes for them to melt completely. Once the solution returns to room temperature, gently water each orchid pot. In this state, nutrients from turmeric and rice, such as starch, vitamins, minerals, and natural antibacterial compounds, are more easily absorbed by the roots, helping stimulate new root growth, enhance resistance, and support stable, long-term healthy plant development. Results after 2 months: orchid leaves turn a deeper green, becoming noticeably thicker and glossier. Newly developed leaves are firm and full of vitality, helping the plant photosynthesize more efficiently and support stronger new shoot growth. The root system also shows clear improvement. Many new, thick white roots continuously emerge, with green root tips firmly anchoring into the growing medium. As a result, the plant absorbs water and nutrients more efficiently, becoming stronger and more vigorous overall. Flower buds and spikes develop evenly and strongly, indicating that the plant has stabilized and is ready to enter the flowering stage. Buds form abundantly, becoming round and plump. When they bloom, the flowers display vibrant colors, last longer, and open successively, creating a lively orchid pot for many weeks. What do you think about this natural orchid care method using turmeric and rice? Have you ever tried this method on your orchids? Please share your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear stories from your garden. This is the well-deserved result of patience and proper care. When nurtured correctly, orchids respond with lasting vitality and pure, graceful beauty. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Great Garden channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss more simple yet effective orchid care tips. See you again in the next video on the Great Garden channel.